I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change the password of Spotify. Now to do this, you need to go to the browser because you cannot do it through the app of your Spotify. So for this, you want to go on browser and search for Spotify. After you search for Spotify, click on the first option. It'll take you to the official website of Spotify and ask you to log in into your account. So make sure to log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, you need to click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen and click on where it says account. Once you click on account, it's going to bring you to this page. Now over here on this page, you need to scroll a bit down until you see change password. Once you see it, just click on change password and first enter the current password you have and then enter the new password. After you enter the new password, enter it again to confirm it over here at the bottom and then click on where it says set new password. If you do that, your new password will be set and the next time you want to log in into your Spotify, you need to enter the newer password. So I hope you understand how you guys can change the password of your Spotify. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day.